In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Asana, 5 minutes. By the end, you'll be signed in, have a project set up, and know how to add tasks, assign work, and customize your workspace so it fits the way you and your team operate. Start by opening your browser and heading to Asana's login page. If you're new to Asana, choose the option to create an account and follow the prompts. If you already have one, go ahead and log in. Enter your email address, click Continue, then type your password and select Login. If your organization uses single sign-on, just follow the on-screen steps. The goal is to land on your Asana home. Once you're on the home page, create your first project. Click New Project. Here you can pick a template to jumpstart a common workflow like marketing campaigns or product launches, or choose to create a blank project for full control. Give your project a clear, descriptive name so teammates know exactly what it covers, then click Continue. Next, select how you want to view your project. List works well for detailed to-dos, board offers a Kanban-style flow, and timeline helps you see dependencies over a schedule. Pick the format that best matches your work style. You can change views later, then click Create Project. Inside your project, start adding tasks. Click the Add Task button and name your task with a crisp action like draft blog outline or finalize budget. Open the task details to set it up properly. Assign an owner so it's clear who's responsible, add a due date to make timing explicit, and create subtasks to break bigger work into manageable steps. This structure keeps accountability and progress visible to everyone. To stay on top of your workload across projects, use My Tasks. It centralizes everything assigned to you in one place, making it easy to prioritize your day without hopping between projects. Take a moment to explore the interface so you know where things live, the sidebar, your project list, and key navigation areas. Then return to your project and click Customize. This is where Asana becomes truly powerful. Add custom fields to track things like priority, status, or effort. Set up rules to automate routine actions, such as moving tasks when dates change or assigning work when a field is updated. You can even create forms to standardize how requests come in from stakeholders, keeping all information tidy and actionable. That's it. Your Asana foundation is in place. Create a project, add tasks with clear owners and deadlines, use My Tasks to stay focused, and customize to match your workflow. You're ready to get organized and get more done.